Hi, in this video, learn how to create new products and their combinations on your PrestaShop store a lot faster using Store Commander CSV input features. As opposed to the lengthy and complex process in PrestaShop, Store Commander allows you to perform CSV imports a lot faster following 3 steps. Select your file and the necessary options, match the file fields with the database fields called the mapping, and import. To begin with, make sure your CSV file includes column headers as well as a line per combination. The file needs to include the name of the product which will be created, a column per attribute group, here color and size, same as any other product properties such as prices, references, etc. Each line corresponds to a combination. The information, such as the reference and the prices, will be associated to the combination. For example, here on line 1, the product sum address will use combination wide and small with a reference RBL01 and a price of $14.99, etc. Then, in the CSV import windows in Store Commander, load the file, selecting the file will display the column titles automatically in this column 5 field in the mapping panel. You now need to select the corresponding database field here by double-clicking each line to display the drop-down list. Some fields require an additional setting which will be highlighted by the cell color in the Options column. Just like here, Name requires the language. For combination attributes, we need to select the corresponding groups, color and size. Once the mapping is configured, you can name and save it here. You will then be able to reuse it later simply by selecting it in the drop-down menu here. The mapping is configured and saved. Let's go back to the main panel to select your options, especially the identification options. Here, we need to select the product identifier used by the import process. When creating products, the identifier will be the product name. Then, the action for new products will be Create new products. The action for existing products will be Modify, because we are updating the newly created product by adding combinations to it. Here we are, the mapping is finished and the options are selected. A summary of your import configuration is displayed in real time in this panel for one last verification. Everything is correct. I start the import by hitting this icon. The import is now finished and results are displayed here. 1 new product, 5 modified. We can find a newly created product in a category specified in the CSV file and its combinations. You can find the steps explained in this video in our CSV import guide downloadable on our documentation page on support.storecommander.com.